kung saan po naging masaya naman po at nagkaroon din po kami ng maraming kaalaman na naibahagi niyo po. So, sa pangalan po ng POO Catanduanes,
maraming salamat po, ma'am,
sa muling paglalakbay sa Leon Bicol.
We just want to thank you, ma'am, for the shared experiences, learnings, and laughters and tears. For sure, we will miss your level 5, and but what will, over and above, what will retain on us is our appreciation of your undying support to the Pantawid Pamilya implementation, and of course to all the CAMSUR staff. So from the POO CAMSUR staff, thank you very much and good luck po sa new assignment. God bless! Mwah! Here are the cluster staff who wants to wish you the best of luck. Hello, Ari! Mula sa Pantawid Pamilya Cluster 1 ng Camarines Sur, maraming salamat sa suporta at pagmamahal nyo sa amin.
Salamat sa pagiging hands-on mo sa amin. Lahat po ng tagumpay ng Pantawid Pamilya ng CAMSUR ay tunay na kapraktika.
Maraming salamat! God bless and more power! We love you! It's our big honor to have you as our regional director. Salamat po ika! Diyos mabalos po! Yan sa Cluster 3 Camarines Sur, Pantawid Pamilya. Kami ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa suporta, gabay at pagtitiwala. Merry Christmas!
Mga friends,
Our appreciation and gratitude for the generous good works, excellency, and most especially your true self you have shared to us. Your name will always be cherished and treasured. Your legacy is a big gift to the department, boosting our morale and confidence. Thank you and farewell, but not goodbye, for you will always be in our hearts. Merry Christmas from Cluster 4 CAMSUR. DSWD Region 5 would not be as fruitful as it is right now without this woman who served the region for 5 years and spent almost all of her life in service of the public. Her passion, commitment, and professionalism truly radiates to the people working in the department. We all know that being a leader to 6 provinces with thousands of workers and millions of people to serve is a great responsibility. For all the courage, commitment you've shown us, we salute you and thank you for the good deeds and administration. We all know that you're leaving, but this is not the end of your journey in Region 5. Thus, another chapter will open in your life, and for that, we wish and pray for the best for you and for your loved ones and family. Before we end this short farewell message, we would like to quote a stanza from a poem of Melvin Mangolay entitled 100 Blocks. Be inspired to go more 100 miles, to share the magic of 100 smiles. not only to build nests of 100 friends, but to amend troubles of 100 friends.
Maraming salamat po sa servisyo nyo sa Pantawid Pamilya.
We will surely miss you.